G'day everyone, welcome back. Another episode of Shawnee's Ultimate Reviews. Today I've gone back into my kitchen for a new product I just purchased. I actually purchased this myself. I didn't have it given to me, so I'm going to do an honest review on it. I got the Ninja Foodi Smart Lid, the 14-in-1 multi-cooker. I used to have the 10-in-1 multi-cooker, and it had a lid that you had to take off and replace every time you wanted to pressure cook. And if you want to air fry, you had to take that lid off and throw the other lid over. So it became a bit of a pain in the ass. This model's got a 2-year warranty. I got it for $3.99. They advertise it recommended retail for $4.99. And just shop around because I guarantee you'll get it for $3.99. It's an Australian model. It's the OL650ANZ. It cooks 70% quicker than general cooking, which is pretty much the same as the old models. It's got air fry mode. With the air fry mode, I'll just read this out. You can bake, roast, grill, dehydrate, and prove. P-R-O-V-E. I don't know what that means, prove, but we'll find out. And you also got the steam crisp function where you can steam air fry, steam bake, and steam bread, which is never had it on the old one, the steam bread, so I'm looking forward to that one. And also, my other one didn't have the dehydration mode, so that's another good thing. And you also got pressure cooking mode, which is pressure cook, sear, satay, slow cook, and make yogurt. So add it all up, it's about, 14 different functions. Anyway, let's start unboxing this and we'll see what it comes with. First of all, instructions. You got a little Ninja cookbook and helpful hints, and it's pretty much a quick guide, just how to set it up quickly. I pretty much will probably use this one only. I've used it before, so I pretty much know how it works. And obviously your cord. And it also comes with 2 different racks. Obviously the main item, which is the cooker itself. And already I'm liking it. This valve, it's actually stuck in there, doesn't come off. But the old one used to fall off, this one doesn't. And it comes with the basket. This is exactly the same basket what's in the other one. You take this off, easily clean. I used to wash mine in the dishwasher all the time. And just a pot, 7.5 litres. As I said, it comes with the 2 different racks now. You can just use this for steaming if you want, just chuck the single rack in. This one you can either steam or you turn it upside down to grill. But if you've got a lot that you're steam cooking, you can put it in as so. And you got this other one that goes on the top now, and it just slides in there, as you can see. You got double the amount of steaming space now. Didn't have it on the old one, so that's another benefit. Okay, we'll turn it on. And you got 3 different modes for this lid. All right, first of all, we'll start far left. This mode gives you just the pressure cooking. And if you go in the middle, it's a combi steam. It pressure cooks and also uses the air fry at once. Then you can move it over to the other section, and that's just air fry. And you got the dial. You can go from air fry to grill, bake and roast, dehydrate, prove. I don't know what the hell prove means. Sear, satay, steam, slow cook, and yogurt. So the display is 10 times better than the old one. Really nice modern look. Pressure cook mode. Doesn't highlight everything different because you don't have all the different modes. And if you go to the combi steam, you can steam bake, steam bread, steam meals, steam air fry. I'll put out a couple of other videos where I actually cook some products, but we'll do a quick test today. I'll get something, chuck it in there and see how it comes out. And with the old one, a lot of people forget about this. It's got a little section where moisture gathers in this lid. Just remember to check it, clean it regularly. I actually forgot about mine for about 6 months and it was filthy. What we'll do, we'll get something real basic and we'll chuck it in. Everyone knows what an air fryer does. Everyone knows what a pressure cooker does. So I want to try the function of steam air fry. We'll get like some potatoes or something, we'll just chuck them in and we'll cook them up quickly. This is just a quick test to show you how it works. Okay, I've chopped up a few vegetables, got some potatoes, kumara and carrots. So what we're going to do is put it in there, spray a little bit of oil on them. Going to add a bit of water. It says 125, probably a little bit more there, won't hurt. All right, we'll turn it on, do 180 degrees. I'll do the steam bake option for 20 minutes. Set into place, and it's just preheating. We'll let this go. We'll come back when it's finished. It's gonna do the steam first, then we'll do the air fry and bake it. All right, we'll come back in about 20 minutes when it's done, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, we've finished the cooking. I let them cool down for a while. I went to grab them before, but they were too hot. We'll pull these babies out and see how they turned out. Got some carrots, cucumber and potato on the steam / air fryer mode, or whatever it's called. Okay, let's try these out. They've really got pretty crispy. The potatoes turned out like magic. Look at them. And they're nice and cool now to eat. Carrots turned out really good too. And probably showed you some before, some kumara. They're really crispy on the outside. We'll see if they're soft in the middle. Let's give it a try. They're magic. I used to cook them like that beforehand, but I used to pressure cook them and they're always too soft. These are perfect. Try the carrot. Oh my God. They are so good. And we'll try the kumara. My God. I've had this boxed up for a couple of weeks, haven't had time to open it. I'm spewing, man. They are the best kumara and potatoes I've ever had. They're really crunchy on the outside and soft in the middle. Oh God, they're so good. Anyway, talking crap now. The Ninja cooker, like, it's awesome. I had the old one, I loved it. This one I love even more. Anyway, sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. Thanks for watching Shawnee's Ultimate Reviews. Please subscribe to my channel and come back. We'll have some Ninja recipes in the next few weeks. Thank you.